Tip 1. Baked egg tomatoes. Today's first cooking tip is a simple, yet very appealing dish. First, I prepare 3 fresh tomatoes. Cut off the stem of the tomato. Using a sharp knife, carefully scoop out the insides. Then use a spoon to remove the seeds, keeping the outer skin intact to create beautiful tomato cups. Remove the seeds and pulp from the tomatoes, keeping only the stem and outer skin. Next, I chop some green onions and add a little to each tomato to enhance the aroma. I cut 3 pieces of cheese and placed 1 piece in each tomato to create a rich flavor when baked. Next, I cracked an egg into each tomato, letting the egg sit neatly in the hollowed-out shell. Then, I prepared a baking tray, drizzled a little olive oil, and spread it evenly over the surface to prevent sticking. The tomato tops that were cut off earlier are placed on the tray as bases. Then I place each tomato on top of these bases so that the tomatoes stand upright when baking. Next, I season each tomato with a little salt and pepper. Sprinkle some finely chopped chives. Add a little salt and a little mayonnaise. Then grate a thin layer of cheese on top to make the dish more fragrant and creamy. Finally, I place the tray in an air fryer. And baked at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. When you open the oven, you'll see the tomatoes stuffed with eggs and cheese, golden and tempting, with the eggs cooked soft, the cheese melted and rich, blending perfectly with the juicy tomatoes and creating a simple yet incredibly delicious dish. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. First, I prepare 3 fresh tomatoes, wash them thoroughly with water, then dice them completely so they soften easily when cooked and create a richer sauce. Next, I turn on the stove and add a little olive oil to the pan to heat it up. While waiting for the pan to heat up, I prepare 3 cloves of garlic, peel them, and mince them finely. When the oil is hot, I add the garlic and sauté over medium heat until fragrant. Then, I wash 1 bell pepper, remove the seeds, chop it finely, add it to the pan, and stir-fry with the garlic until the bell pepper begins to soften. Next, I add all the diced tomatoes to the pan. Stir-fry over medium heat so that the tomatoes release their juices and form a sauce. I season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper to make the dish more flavorful. When the tomato mixture is soft and slightly thickened, I sprinkle in a little cheese and stir gently to melt the cheese and blend it into the sauce. I prepared 5 eggs and then cracked them into 3 bowls one by one. Gently so as not to break the yolk. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then gently place them into the pan. I put the lid back on and left it for about 3 minutes. Then sprinkle a little more cheese on top of each egg. I cover the pan and cook over medium heat for about 5 minutes until the eggs are soft. When the dish is cooked, I chop a little parsley and sprinkle it on top to make the dish more fragrant and appealing before serving. The result is a hot tomato and cheese sauce egg dish with an appealing color, the harmonious sweet and sour taste of tomatoes, blended with the rich, soft eggs and aromatic cheese. So today, we've made 2 delicious dishes together, using 2 very familiar ingredients, eggs and tomatoes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.